Wait, the microphone is on? I didn't realize the microphone was on. And the music is off. What the fuck is happening? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What is this? What is this? The music is off. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I made sure. I made sure that the microphone was off and the music on when it started. How come the music is off now? What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, we are here now. The silliness has begun. Actually, can I tell you something that is honestly will blow your mind? I just realized that like after 4 years now, or something like that, the Wordle is called Wordle because it's a word game. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Like, that's the perfect name for the game. That's honestly the perfect name for the game. I didn't realize. I mean, maybe it's just me, yeah? Maybe I'm wrong, but honestly, that blows my mind. If there's something that blows my mind, it's that. Holy moly. Okay, also I'm gonna attempt something that has never been tried before. I am going to, and not many people, honestly, some people have tried this. Some people have tried it, but not many people that have tried this have lived to tell the tale. I'm gonna actually keep my work computer, my work laptop on the side here with the dashboard open instead of having the dashboard open on the second monitor. That way, what is it bumping in? Oh, it's okay. That way, I don't have to, goodness gracious, it's crazy, right? That way, I don't have to switch back to the browser tab on my PC here to check on the stream, like if it's alive or anything. Please plug into the, okay, ooh, this is great, okay, perfectly positioned. Now, and this is where things get crazy. I need to open Chrome on my laptop. Oh my god, the way that this works, people will never believe me when I tell them. Studio.youtube.com. This cable can go somewhere else. All right, we go to the What Deep channel. Live. So we're almost ready. I'm using the full 20 minutes today. If you're wondering why we have a 20 minutes timer before the stream, is because I am a lazy sack of shit. No, I needed to take a shower before the stream because my hair was filthy, and yeah, I just figured that that would be better to do it. Dashboard.twitch.tv. You just put your head in the sink for 30 seconds, almost like that. I took a full shower, but you said the sink. Oh, in the sink. I mean, under the sink is also, yeah, under the tap. Is it called a tap for the sink as well, or is it called a tap just for taps? I don't even know what that means. Okay, I'm gonna run a quick 1-minute ad break, so only that we don't have the ads during the actual stream. I'm gonna go and grab some ice pack for my feet, and then I'll be right back. Okay, see you in 60 seconds. Oh, couldn't start an ad in this time? Okay, we can run the ad. Never mind. Okay, then we will get the ads during the actual stream. I guess that's not a real big problem. But hello. Wait, why is my chat such a way like that? Okay, now this makes more sense. Okay. Hello. How are we doing today? Do pretty well. Myself. Welcome to a new stream from sunny Milan, Italy. This is Malemore speaking to you. Why am I live earlier than scheduled, and like an hour and a half earlier than scheduled, and why am I doing game dev, which I was not planning on today? Because I was gonna do game dev anyway today, so I'm gonna stream it. I'm trying to figure out what I can stream, what I cannot stream. And today we're gonna do less coding than the other day. less the essay. We're gonna work a little bit on the UI, maybe do a little notification system. And this goober hat is ready for the 2032 Olympics. I am. Is it gonna be in Brisbane? Isn't it? What, isn't there like a big problem because nobody wants to host the Olympics? You're new. Hello, welcome to your first Malimore stream, Mr. Aikozu Games. I hope you're doing well. How's your day been? And no, get misinformation. Caught me when I see misinformation on the internet. I will not even fact check that shit. Okay, I will not. Wait, isn't it super funny if I like? How does it work? If I stretch the chat like this? Wait, let me type something. Let me type something in chat. Exactly. That's much funnier. Honestly, that's much funnier. I think I'm gonna hide the badges. I'm just gonna stretch this. I'm just gonna stretch it. Look at that. So funny. So funny. Haha. X does stretch. Haha. Yo. Yes. Yes. You should fact check because it's true. Yeah, Olympics is almost always detrimental to economy and environment. Honestly, what is not? Am I right, gamers? What is not detrimental to the economy and the environment? Alright, so the one thing I need to do before I start the actual stream is to copy the video ID for the stream in my chat view. So get ready, everybody. It's password time. 7 capital P lowercase mx 4 uppercase x, and here we have the first big problem. Is that an I? Is that an I or a lowercase l? I'm gonna go I, O, I again, D and Q. No, it was not that. Let's try L, D, Q. No, maybe it's another L. We have 2 lowercase l's. It looks like so. It looks like so. Okay. Among Bus. Look at them. Look at him. It's a little blue Among Us. It's a blue Among Us. Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm gonna promise next week we're gonna have a video editing stream. I need to start making videos. I'm sitting on a couple of videos for Malimore, and I have no time to do it, so I might actually do it on stream. Perfect. We have the good stuff here. I have my work computer with the stuff. I have my chat here next to my typey fingers. Okay, now that I had the password copied and scared to post in chat. Dare I do it? Paste it in chat if you dare. It's crazy that the password actually comes with the 3 digits on the back. That is a very, 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 very accurate password. Congratulations. Okay, so let me open up Unity. We are doing Unity until around 3:25ish shit, 3:30s. I'm gonna go, which basically means for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave for 10 minutes because I need to go to the pharmacy to get a medicine for my cat. But that's a very close pharmacy, so woo! Let's draw a fish. Let's draw a little fish here. It was too close to being a fish. I need to cover this up. It's like getting your ex's name tattooed after you broke up. I don't know what that means, honestly. I have no tattoos. Don't look at me. I have no tattoos. I'm afraid of tattoos. Yim yum. Yippee. Okay, what is happening to you? Are you okay? Also, oh wait, I need to pull this up. Okay, I'm afraid this was on my personal account, so let me check. I opened YouTube this morning. Because of course, like, everybody will just have YouTube in the morning when they have YouTube. Wait, is there a browser tab where I'm not logged in as Malamore? I don't want to screw up my music recommendations. I have 3 browser tabs and it's like still like too little. That's a problem. Okay. Personal history. I watched so many videos this morning. That's embarrassing. But yeah, I oh wait. I open. Oh, you cannot see the title. Wait. I opened YouTube and what I had on the front page was Goober Showcase. I thought, oh my, Mr. Kozo is gonna love this. The Goober Showcase. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Amazing, absolutely amazing. Also, why did the Twitch chat die? Oh no. Oh wait. Can I just say that you pasting the password in chat actually makes my life so much easier. I'm gonna do this forever now. And okay, I'm having technical difficulties here, but yeah, look at this. This is a Minecraft mod that adds the goobers, which are these big things, and they snooze and they sneeze and just cover everything in sneeze. It's pretty funny, pretty epic in it. Okay, am I on Unity? I think I'm on Unity. Okay, perfect. So why is this not working? Let me try something. Okay. Why is Twitch telling me the rules for my chat here? Okay, it's working now. Why are you muted in my chat here? It doesn't make any sense. New chatter, hello, new chatter. How are you doing? Okay, so I want to show you where we're at. So, we can start a game. And let's create a new game. Let's call it Goob Day. And we create a game and play. And now we don't have a UI to show what prop we have selected, so you have to trust me. But when I place a prop here, it's pebble. If I move forward one, it's grass. And if I move forward once again, it's pebble again. So it loops through the props I have available. What's the problem with that? Is there's not enough props. So if I press more pebbles, now I actually have also wait, this is a problem. This is saving some stuff that should not be saved. But yeah, now if I go here and I go again, I have a boulder too. Basically just unlocks when I play some pebbles. I have some I have new props. So if I don't save, I go back and I place a prop. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, we have some bugs. You know what? We have some bugs. All is good. All is good. No need to worry. No need to love pebbles so much. They're crunchy. They're very crunchy, honestly. Many people are saying that pebbles are actually too crunchy. But that's not me. Honestly, that's not me. I do not think such a thing could ever be. Okay, so what do we need to do? I want to create a UI for notifications. Basically, I want to show notifications. What do you have for lunch yesterday? Oh, not soup, unfortunately. Yesterday I don't remember even where I was. I was most likely at home for lunch. I think I had chickpeas. Is it possible? Yeah, I had seitan. Like, you know what seitan is? Does it translate differently in English? Basically, yeah, like a soy surrogate for meat. I had seitan that I seasoned with paprika and salt, a little pepper, and like just a drop of oil. Seitan beef. Yeah, it's not necessarily beef. I would like it smells like beef. You smell like beef. Are you eating yourself? What? Do not do that. I am not a health professional, but I strongly advise against eating yourself alive. That doesn't seem like a healthy thing to do. Okay. Okay. Let me reload the page here, and now we're ready to do the to do some game dev. Honestly, we've been kombuchaing around for too long. We've been kombuchaing around for too long. It's gonna go down. Okay, we have that on. Okay, let's do something crazy. Let's go to the other scene. Honestly, levels. Let's do a notification, a very simple notification system. So, gameplay managers. I want to add. Why is this always off? I want to add like here in the bottom right, notification that appears with information. Okay. So we go to scripts. We go here and go folder notification system. Yapping too much. Yeah, we're professionals at that. We're not healthcare professionals, but we are yapping professionals, and that not many people do it like we do. Okay, not many people do it like we do. Also, trying to be funny in a second language is so hard. now I'm trying. I'm putting my hand forward. It's like, dude, it's exhausting. Notification manager, UI notification manager. I would say let's call it like that. This can go, and we can create a new. Let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, we have the UI selected. Let's create a new empty object. Notifications. Let's put it here. Let's go in normal view, and let's do like this. Also, if you're wondering, if you're concerned about the bug that we were having, I'm most likely not concerned about it. I'm just gonna change some stuff that is persisted to like live in the scene. I'm trying to understand exactly how event-driven works and how it differs from singleton-based logic, but I keep getting those mixed up. So I keep trying to bring some singleton logic back into the event base, and that creates problems. I need to learn that better. Sammy, hello. Gotta love the glasses. Thank you. As someone that has been wearing glasses for 23 years now, and I appreciate that. How are you doing? By the way? Welcome to the stream. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. Except that I'm drenched in sweat. Like, it's so hot in Milan right now. It's so annoyingly hot in Milan right now. I wish it would like be shitty weather. You can see it's sunny. It hits my face here. You're doing amazing. Love to hear that. I'm straight up dropping banger humor in the chat tonight. You are good. Wait, I read the start of your message. It starts with a bug. If it mentions Hollow Knight, if the message mentions Hollow Knight, you're banned, okay? You're timed out for 23 days. A bug in Creator Garden? Bugs? Okay, bugs are expected. Oh, you are so wholesome. You are so wholesome. Close call. That was your second option, right? Sorry for lashing out like a Capricorn. I should have been more caring like pieces. Wait, what the hell are you talking about? You're sleepy? You're sleepy? I wish I had like a sleep time song. How do you call them? Like Nina na na nina. We have those in Italian. You probably have that like twinkle twinkle little star. I don't know. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. Okay. I agree. It's so hot. Exactly. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Hongshu songs. Exactly. The Hongshu songs. Twinkles on my star till I sleep. Oh wow. Okay, okay, okay. We can say it like this. Okay. Okay. For now, what we'll do here is we'll just have a text pop up. A text pop up. Oh, not that. We put a text here. We're gonna be like negative 20, 20. Okay. This is gonna be a content size filter. Let me put a panel. This is gonna have an image as a background, and it's gonna be like black with 40 alpha. Oh, what is your percentage of alpha? Are you like 100% alpha or like 40% or something like that? I don't fucking dude. I need to make this like a coding stream interesting. Like not interesting. This is interesting, but like entertaining. How do you fucking make it entertaining? It's like I'm doing UI work. It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep, bro. When I was a little baby, all the sleeping songs were Arabic. I mean, that makes sense if you speak Arabic and your country you speak Arabic. That makes a lot of sense. I will come as a shocker, but all my sleeping songs were in Italian. Crazy, right? Sorry. So I don't mean to sound like I'm digging at you and taking a dig at you. I'm taking I don't want to make fun of you. It's like that's very fair. That's very fair. Do they sound good? All the Italian sleeping songs sound kind of goofy. Like they don't age well. Like after the age of 6, 8, 10. I don't know how old are kids when you're singing songs. Pre-A seem to get cancelled. Yeah. What is it? 40 minutes that we get cancelled in 40 minutes. That's crazy. That's crazy. 5, and 5. Okay. You got a notification. Okay, this is our text. Now, what we want to do is make sure, and this is probably gonna. Oh, yeah. Min size. Nope. Min size. Nope. So instead of doing this, we're gonna have to disable the wrapping. Is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? Panel. Horizontal fit. Min size. Nope. How do you do this? How do you even do this? You have to not make it auto size. If you do this, horizontal min. No, it does. I don't remember how to fit. You know what? We do like this, and we go do auto size, and we don't care about the auto sizing. It's all temporary. Okay. For some reason, the songs were about pigeons and asses. Honestly, do you need anything more? Do you need anything more than pigeons and asses? Hong Shu is like the sound that pigeons and asses do. You thought I didn't understand what a pigeon and an ass were, right? You thought you got me. Think again. Think again. Okay, so now. Okay, so now. I have my hair in my mouth. It's so annoying. You love getting notifications, Kozo. I love that for you. I love waking up from a nap in the afternoon. I've been sleeping for 2 hours. I fell asleep after lunch at 2 p.m. I wake up at 4 and I got no notification. Zero notification. Nobody even cares that I'm asleep. You should... This is a call to my friends. You should send me messages so that I know that you're thinking of me, okay? I hope none of my friends are watching, because this is absolutely... This is the worst thing I've said ever. Message from Team Snapchat. Honestly, that's true. I downloaded Snapchat after years that I haven't had it on my phone, and it's like, oh my god, everybody will have sent me a message like years ago. It's like, hey, I'm enjoying my holidays. What about you? And I didn't respond. I open Snapchat, Team Snapchat, 20 messages for Halloween 2018, Christmas 2018, St. Valentine's Day 2019, and you go on and go on and go on and go, what? But yeah, honestly, nobody cares that I'm alive. No, dude, don't say that. That's probably not true. Text, notif, text, and serialized field, private, game object, notif, root. And here we also, okay, let's do header, components, and here header, settings, private, float, and here we're gonna say minimum 0. Private float, duration is equal to 3 seconds, I think. A default duration of 3 seconds is alright. Okay, so now I do believe we already have a string event, right? Yeah, string event channel SO. So header, listening to, serialized field, private, string, also this should be UI, string channel, on notification ready. This is probably gonna be changed because I'm gonna add, you know what, also to do update this when I have images for notifications. But for now, that's good. Okay, so what private void on show notification string text, and this is gonna be very easy. We're gonna be notif text dot set text, very much a trivial line. Also, we're gonna go here and go private coroutine. Is coroutine a class? Yes, perfect. Notif coroutine is equal to null, and here we're gonna say if notif coroutine is not equal to null, and notif coroutine dot, is that like a has ended? There is no has ended. Okay. Stop coroutine, notif coroutine. Okay, perfect. And here we're gonna start coroutine, do notification duration or something like this. Private enumerator. Oh, what? Okay. Okay, perfect. And here we wanna do this, and you return that. So we go notif coroutine. I'm gonna rechat coroutine. I'm gonna rechat in a second. Underscore coroutine. Okay, perfect. Stop typing. Caught. Is it me or is the background removal thing every day working a little worse? It might just be me, okay? It might just be me. But is it me or is it working a little worse every day? By the way, just came back from work, so I'm glad you're alive. Oh, you're alive. Honestly, I was like, why wouldn't I be? But I can chill with it. That's great. What do you do? If I can ask, you don't have to respond with personal information. So if you don't want to share what you do for work, you're free to not do that. But if you want to share, Thank you, Mr. Koza. I have my hair that flies into my mouth. Look at this piece of shit. Look at this piece of shit. Can you see it? I think you can actually see it a little bit. Ah. You work in the airport. Oh, at the counter. Oh my god. I was just telling this my friend the other day. You must have such a thick skin. I salute you. I'm pretty sure the number of shitty people you run that come very angry at you because they missed their flight because they were late is so high. Hopefully it's not that. Honestly, I hope it's not that. But I was especially telling my friend that people working at train stations and airports must be the most patient people in the world. Oh my god, I could never do it. Oh yeah, the shitty people, I agree. Yeah, honestly, such respect, Sammy. Alright, so here we have the duration. We want to have a timer, so float timer is equal to 0 while timer is less than duration. Is it called duration? Yeah, I mean auto completed. So timer. Also, why am I doing a timer? I could just yield return new wait for seconds duration. Okay, and here we go, hide notification. And why am I making it a separate method? Because I can. And this is going to be notif root dot set active. True. Nope. False. And here we're activating it here. Something like this, I think will work. Yeah, my friend had to take a flight back to Canada yesterday, and she, like, the train, she was 3 hours early or 4 hours early for the plane when she left. The train she was getting to the station, to the airport on, was cancelled, and the following one was also cancelled, so she missed the train, and she got, like, at the airport too late. And she was like, I got a flight for Thursday for free. But I think that's only because I was the only person being nice to the people at the counter. It's like, man, I really would not want people to come angry at me. I would start crying. I'm not a bill for that. On enable. We're gonna do on. You know what? Let's call this notification channel, something like this. This makes much more sense. On event raised plus equal show notification. On disable, so my leg is twitching in a weird way. What is happening to me? I'm gonna lose it. Dot on event raised. Okay, perfect. She's very lovely. She is a very good person, I think. So I'm not surprised to learn that she was the only person being nice. But yeah, if my understanding of the situation yesterday is correct, it must have been like a shitty day. It must have been a terrible time to be having to do without those people. How long have you been doing it? Have you been enjoying it? Is there also like a good part to it? Like, at least your coworkers are fine? Is it somewhat rewarding, or do you just have to do with shitty people every day? Okay, let me go here. We don't need this, we don't need this. I honestly think this is everything that we need. Alright, so let's go to Unity. Events, gameplay, create, wait, UI actually, create, events, UI. Oh, actually not event UI, but create, events, primitive, string event, notification, UI notification, channel, event, channel. Okay, cool. You've been doing it for 2 months. Okay. Duty hours suck though. What like your work times, your work hours? Like, I'm guessing you have to be there like at 4 a.m. and you leave at like 18. The work is amazing. Okay, honestly, good co-workers make it so much better. Wait. Okay. Panel, you go here. Text, you go here. Let's call it Native panel. Native text. And here you want notifications. Okay, perfect. Now let's unload the scene. Let's reload the scene. And let's go to the garden manager. And let's go to the prop manager. Do we have a prop unlocked? I think so, actually. Header. I'm gonna have to change this so much. Listen to serialized field, private, prop event channel. What does this take? A prop. Give me 1 second because I'm very confused right now. Game state, unlock prop, on prop unlocked. It's a Unity action garden. Okay, okay, I see. That's bad. That's not good. That's the kind of shit I need to change. Game state dot on unlock on prop unlocked plus equal unlocked prop. And let me move this down. Let me move this a little down here. Also, I'm gonna come back to chat. Give me 1 second. This is going to be very simple. Header broadcast to serialized field, private string channel, notification channel. And this is just gonna be notification channel dot raise event you unlocked plus arg0 dot name. And this one we're gonna call it prop, of course. We're gonna call this prop, and we're going to unsubscribe from there. I think this is all. Okay, let's go back. Yes, 5 a.m. till 1:30 p.m. That sucks, but can I say that if you have your day back, like waking up at 5 a.m. it's terrible, honestly terrible. What time do you have to? I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say now. Usually depends on what your waking time is, because also I need to go here on start. I need to disable those, because if you live fairly close to the airport and you have to be there 5 a.m. I guess you have to wake up at 3:34. Okay, no, that sucks. I was gonna say, yeah, because you lose the nights out with friends probably. That's because having the workday end at 1 p.m. sounds like the dream, but having to be there at 5 a.m. it sucks. Yeah. Hide. It sucks. It must suck. But honestly, unfortunately, work is like that. Unfortunately, work has to be like that sometimes. Okay, let's see. Place prop. 1, 2, 3, 4. You unlocked Boulder. Let's wait for 3 seconds. It should disappear. That's awesome. Work really do be working. Really. Yeah. Work works. Also, I have finalized. I think I almost finalized my plane to go work at Mojang. So get ready. In a year or so, you will get the notification Mojang in bio when I go live, and that's gonna be crazy. Okay. Very basic notification system. I would say it's a 1-year plan, but at the end of the summer, I will decide whether I'm gonna attempt it before I'm done with my thesis or after. I have no clue how much my thesis, how much time my thesis is gonna take. I decided that I'm gonna text the game development and design professor that I did a project in my bachelor's with. I have not enjoyed working with him because he didn't give a shit about me. I graduated 2 months late. I'm gonna have to unpublish this bot because if he sees this, he will never see this. But professor, you're great. But you could have look at my code earlier, and I could have graduated in July. Okay. But yeah. I think we have that. What time is it? Okay, we need to make one more feature, okay? We have 40 minutes. I need to make one more feature. Otherwise, I cannot justify. I'm so annoyed. Why do I have to keep saving this scene even though I don't change it? Nothing changes here. It just marks it as 30 and yikes being crikes. The crikey, yikes. I think crikes would sound better than a crikeys, right? Yikes plus crikeys sounds like, who the hell are you talking to? What kind of ghosts are you fighting, my friend? Man, when yikes be, yeah, the yikes do be crikes. Every yike does crike. Okay, what else should we do here? We need to. Okay, I need to figure out why this is always start selected entity like this. Okay, update. Oh, because we never updated. So entity inspected channel, we don't have an entity selected channel. Okay, that makes much more sense. Do we have an entity selected event somewhere? Player entity detector. Okay, game state select entity on entity selected. Oh, why is it here? Oh my god, this is so stupid. I'm from the UK now, okay? Why oh my, this is gonna be such a mess to clean up. Okay, game state. This has no reference to the game state. Oh my god. Serialized field, private, game state. Who let me write this code? Who of you let me write this code? Doesn't make any. Why? On entity selected plus equal. Show update entity update selected entity text, something like this. Honestly, game state dot entity deselected that. Go and put this in here. Minus it was move. Okay, honestly, blame them. I will absolutely. I just need a scapegoat. Okay, I need someone to lash against, I guess. Sorry, I mean, I'm sorry to move if you have to be brought into this, but I am not here to joke and play. I'm here to get stuff done, and that code was definitely not helping me getting stuff done. Entity, okay. We're just gonna go, how is it called? Select entity label. Um, if entity is not equal to null, dot set text entity dot trait dot name. Else selected label dot set text, and here we can do this. Okay. Now this should work at least. This should work at least, I think. Let me save this scene. Let me unload this scene. Alright. Place. Okay, now. Wait. Kind of, I guess. Oh, wait. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. Okay. Okay, let's call this on entity selected. Okay. Private void on entity deselected. You know what? I'm gonna do this and then just gonna bloop bloop. I'm of course not passing null. I'm never passing null here, so it makes no sense for me to even be checking it. Okay. Okay, so selected, deselected. Okay, now it should be working. Love them background tunes. These are very good songs from... Wait, what if I go to here? Yeah, these are very cool songs from Stream Beats, which are, I guess, royalty-free songs. I can wait, the album is over now, so let's pick a new one. Groovy. Let's go for Groovy. I've been playing these during the streams because I know I will not get struck. Hey, what's the name of your game? Hello, all-in-one. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. The name of my game? For now, it has a dev name. For now, it's called Critter Garden. But it might be the end name too. It's not super SEO friendly, I would say. It doesn't roll off the tongue. Sorry, not the thong. The tongue. TONGUE. And it's a cozy game about having a garden and attracting creatures to it. Not in a inappropriate way. Let's put it like that. Why would I even feel the need to say that? Cool. Thank you. I appreciate that. How have you been? Yeah. Right now we are updating. Like you see, you have the everything is temporary. Everything is a good one, Molly. Thank you. Hi, Kozo. We are placing stuff here, and now when you select it, you see the name at the top. Then you can go to the cursor and open the inspector. Wait, what the? Why am I placing? I should not be placing this. Oh, now I don't place them. What the hell is happening? Why am I placing so many pebbles there? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know. I will need to figure that out, honestly. Lol. Yeah, sorry. It's I need to. I feel the need. What is happening with? I have some very big bugs that I am not sure how to fix right now. I'm getting all my tools mixed up. It didn't happen yesterday, so I'm gonna have to work on it. But the game dev stream is gonna not be too long. And also now we. Okay. You know what? We'll figure it out. You know what I say, Dave? We'll figure it out. And by that I mean me later on. I decided that when I do coding on stream, I need to do visual things. I cannot be coding and debugging because it's not entertaining. And the stream needs to be entertaining. Okay, so notifications. I just want to make a mobile game, but I'm not able because it's a skill issue. Dude, there is no such thing as a skill issue that you cannot solve by practicing. And I know this is a boring boomer answer, but I am in fact 25, so I could almost classify as a boomer. And it's not like it just get better. It's like just find something you like and try it. If you don't get it wrong, if you don't bump into a wall, if you don't find it difficult at first, you're never gonna learn. So you should be happy. This is gaslighting to the nth power. Like, this is the greatest gaslighting you will see today. Is like, if you have a skill issue, you should be grateful for that skill issue, because if you don't have a skill issue, you will never learn. Damn, is pirate software in the building here? Wait, we have a pirate software takeover of the stream. Hello, I have a deep voice. Hey, Nuke Ita is following. I hope that was how you would read that. Hi, what are you trying to create? I am making, at this point it's a very buggy game. let me start from the start menu. I have some, it's very much messed up right now. I'm making a cozy game. You know the game Viva Piñata? So there are three options for if you've heard of it. The first option is you are old as frick, like me. The second option is you have an older sibling and you've heard it from them. The third option is you watched Ace Rolla's video on Fur, and you saw the game there. And yeah, I'm basically just making a game inspired by Viva Piñata, where you have a garden. It's very much in a pre-prototype phase here, and you can place little props. Right now we only have pebbles, grass, and boulders. They are not even textured. And based on what props you pick, you satisfy different requirements for creatures to show up. And the objective is basically you have like a Pokédex kind of notebook where you note what animals you've seen. Basically, it's a very simple game. It's a cozy-ish game that I'm trying to do with a very limited scope, so I can get it done by the end of summer, because that's the most important thing. Numero Tinko, hello, welcome to the stream. You can choose one popular game type and can make one. You could get better results with it, probably. I am not too concerned with results at the moment, because I am trying to get something done. I mean, you are on my channel. You might know my channel. I've been doing. I've kind of stopped doing game development for a while. I've been working as a web developer for 2 years now, and now that the biggest thing that I have is I want to finish something. I want to finish a game and ship it. And this is a very small game that I think I can ship by the end of the summer, if I work on it. If I dick around and do other stuff, less likely. But my objective right now is finishing, and then like in September, October, try to optimize what I'm doing. And I mean popular, much as most of streamers plays. Okay, that is actually great. Getting streamers to play your game is incredibly good for marketing. For this game, I am already compiling a list of cozy streamers, because that's a thing too. And I'm just gonna send them. You're much older than me. You also try to make game. Nice, welcome. And what kind of game are you making? Nice game idea. Thank you. I appreciate that. I don't. This is not a great game. This is not a great, like, it's not a big game. It's like it's not gonna change the industry. But I think it's a nice little project. I'm also like, for me, it's an excuse to do some data structures and algorithms without having to do it in C, I guess. But even though I love C, Because like there's a million different ways I can approach this. But yeah, do you do programming as a full-time job, or do you also have or you also do a side job? So I am a freelance web developer. I was employed, quote unquote employed. I was working for a company for the whole of last year. But I'm also like I'm now doing freelance web development as a side job because I'm finishing my master's in computer science and engineering. So last year I took a gap year. I worked as a web dev. I was kind of the everything. It was a startup, so I was like the everything guy. I was the web developer. I developed cloud functions. I worked on Unity, did game design, and I directed a promotional video. It was like an amazing. Honestly, they did not pay me very well, and I love my boss, and dude, thank you for the opportunity. The pay was not great. I have no hard feelings for that, but the job was amazing. They were very stressful, but amazing. I loved it so much. And now I quit the job. I'm doing freelance on the side. I finished my exams. I got my final result for my exams 3 days ago, and now I have to find a thesis to graduate. Yeah, that's you're trying to connect your TV and Wi-Fi and figure out the password while watching you. Figuring out are you brute forcing your own password? Don't you have that saved? But yeah, that sounds tough. I guess. Okay, I guess time to go. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in, and best wishes from your side. I appreciate that. Have a great time and enjoy watching your TV. I also work as IT programmer developer. I like strange type of game, like Paper Please, Peace. I mean, if you have the time and the opportunity to do a game like that, like I would rather than a strange, I would say experimental games. Peace Death, I don't think I know that. I'm programming a game like these, similar. I'm working in your spare time. Fair enough. I mean, if you have a job, you are gonna have to work in your spare time, I guess. You don't have much choice around that. Let me see what Peace Death is. Peace Death. I could have looked it up on Steam, honestly. Yeah. So, do we get anything of the gameplay from the screenshot, or do we need to? Okay, it definitely doesn't look like a conventional game. I cannot tell what kind of gameplay it is. It's an arcade simulator with difficulties. In this game, you play as a reaper working for your boss, Death, and send clients to heaven, hell, or purgatory. Okay, then I'm guessing it's sort of Papers, Please, right? Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, I like that. It's fun. Okay, it looks fun. It looks fun. Yeah, it definitely looks like Paper Please, I would say. You have to sort the souls in the afterlife. That's a very good description from what I can see, yeah. Also, going back to games more streamer plays from Numero Tinko. I've actually been considering doing a only up-ish, like a kind of shitty Fadian game, because like Unchained, Chained Together, what the name of that is. Now there's like a new one with like people on with a strainer, I think it's called. I don't know. I hate those. I don't even guess why you would play those as a known streamer, but if you can get to sell a few copies through streamers, honestly, that sounds like an incredible business plan. But yeah, so the problem with this game now is that before I start coding any new features, I need to sort out a little problem that I have with the architecture, because I am doing event driven, but I also have a lot of stuff residing in these objects. Well, I think they should actually reside in game objects so they don't get persisted, because I think that's why I'm getting my bugs. So what I'll be doing, I have been doing this because I'm creating this entire thing using addressables. what I'll be doing is actually I'll open the open project that I downloaded to learn addressables and see how they are doing that. So we get to take a look at Unity's own game development efforts. Oh, let me open my computer here. Ooh, this thing is hot. This thing is hot. Also, it's nice to see a compatriot developing games. Hello, Italians are now very present in the game dev industry. Have you heard? Okay, this confirms me. I was reading your name. I have my work computer on the left here, and I read your name. I got it highlighted as first time chat. I was like, did I pronounce it right when I say Nuke Ita? And now I have the confirmation. Did you see? How's that called? What is that game called? Oh wait, I don't have the desktop scene anymore. Did you see Dot Age? Dot Age is actually it's getting so many awards, I believe, and it's an Italian game. It's being like I saw it go to like Italian Game Awards or something, and I was like, when I figured out, I am never I'm not a patriotic person, but I followed the developer on Twitter, and when I figured out it was an Italian game, I was like, holy, we can do it too. This feels so great, honestly. Woo! But yeah, quite present in the game dev character industry. Woohoo! You're very funny. Game dev character industry. What is that? What does that mean? I don't know him. Thanks for the info. Yeah, this game it's also I think a pretty good game. I've only tried the demo yet so far, but it also I think it's a pretty good game. It's a management game, colony management game, I would say. But it's doing the numbers, like almost 2,000 positive reviews. Sounds good, honestly. And numero 5, I mean, you can also make secondary game that is similar to popular game your interest. Missing that popularity would be a waste, I guess, because also every other similar games gets more attention by it. That's a totally valid point. Right now, I am trying to balance game dev, like secondary. Doing only game dev and game dev content creation will burn me out. So I need to do like if I would like to do content creation, I really like to do content. So it's like I need to balance like non-game dev content. I have a ton of hobbies, and I'm finally, after 6 years of not having a holiday, I have some summer time to spend on holiday because I've got no job. I need to find a thesis, and I'm finally done with my exams. And it's like finally I can have some free time. I do not want to work on 2 games at the moment. So I'm gonna take on your suggestion. I'm gonna work on this game until the end of the summer, and when I get to the end of the summer, I will most likely figure out a game type that I want to make, and I'm gonna tell you it's probably a 3D platformer. But we'll see. I'll figure out a more popular, more market-oriented game. This is a me game. This is like, I want to get something done because the last game that I published commercially, quote-unquote commercially, was in 2018, okay? I have not done a proper start-to-finish game since 2018. And I've only made like shitty game jam games for YouTube videos, which is not super satisfying to a point. And so I want to make this game, ship it, spend it. The 100 euros I need to put on Steam to have my game on Steam. I can afford it now. And yeah, so that's my 2 cents on making a popular game right now. I do not need to do that. Coffee break over. I have to go. It was nice to meet you, and I will follow you when I can. Thank you. We do game development and we do gaming sometimes, and we do other stuff very rarely, but yeah. Thank you for tuning in. It was very nice to get compatriots in chat and enjoy your work. Hope your coffee break was fun. All right. So we have 15 minutes. We have 15 minutes. What do we do? Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the open project and let's see what they do. If they have events. Bye, Nuke. See you around. Okay. So my event. I always do singletons. This is for I've said it a ton of times. This is the first time I choose an event-driven architecture for my game. I'm also making this game just for a CV point of view. Like, I have experience making singleton architectures. First time I do event-based. If I can say I can do that, I can say I have an event-driven architecture game that I made. It's gonna be like an extra tick on my LinkedIn. I want to see something like inventory. Is scripts. Oh, scriptable objects. Okay. Gameplay. Game state. Okay, so we have game state has events. This is the most important thing. Honestly, this is the most important thing. When does it subscribe to? Oh, it never subscribes to. Okay, that's the one thing I was wondering, is like these guys, these scripts. Gameplay, player's health, game state, inventory, inventory. Okay, these guys do not. How are they reset? I'm trying to figure out when they are reset. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you're on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Spoiler, there's no one on YouTube apparently. Also, we are at 190 followers on Twitch. We're 10 followers to go. Wow. Wow, we're finally moving up the ladder. I'm very grateful for everyone that tunes in and watches a little bit. If you follow, I'm more grateful. But even if you just spend 5 minutes in chat, thank you. Thank you. I just want to see what happens when you reset it. In it, okay. And in it is called from savesystem.cs. But isn't savesystem.cs just another one of these? Isn't save system? Yeah, save system is another one of these. It's not. Set new data. Do you have an init method? On-enable. When is on-enabled called on a scriptable object? That's my big question. That's my big question. Scriptable object on enable. The function is called when the object is loaded. An example is given below. Of course, but does that mean that the save system... This sucks. This is not good, honestly. This is not super good. Probably when it gets enabled. That is a very good point. I literally cannot tell you anything on that. But the problem, my problem is, let me look at the 5 system script. On enable, save settings event. Okay, look, save settings event. Okay, and this, who raises that? Set new data, player inventory. Init. My problem is that you have to like link those in the save system. So I'm probably gonna make like a main game data hub and object that handles all of this, and I think that's probably the most sensible thing to do. Because then the game state only handles the events, which I think it's reasonable. Inventory is here. Getting yogurt, be right back. Yeah, also we'll be right back fairly soon because what time is it? Okay, in 5 minutes I'm gonna leave and be away for 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, but I don't know what that song was, what the sound was. Let's go to see the scene. Let's go see the main scenes here. Scenes, managers, persistent managers. Setting system manager, setting system, okay. And it says save settings. Oh, look at this. Setting system manager, it raises that. So when it raises that, so I'm guessing setting systems. Do we not have that? Say setting systems event. No, it listens to it. Okay. It just saves. Okay, it just saves the settings. Okay, perfect. And save data is a new save. Okay, and the save. Okay. Then we have a scene loader. What about the gameplay managers? Let's take a look at the gameplay managers. Oh, I'm in the wrong folder. Game manager. Okay, we have a game manager screen. It has quest manager, game state, and inventory. Okay. So the game manager is the guy that adds stuff. So it adds manually. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Is this good to add manually? I don't know. I'm not super sure I like this approach. I'm not super sure I like this approach. Anyway, I think I will figure it out. It's so weird to be back to Unity after such a long time away from game development. So that was it. So YouTube stream. Thank you so much for watching. I will end the YouTube stream now because game dev is done for today. I'm gonna be working tomorrow offline. I'm gonna have something ready to show for on next Monday. I think I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna end the week, and I think I'm gonna stay on the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday schedule. This sad. See ya. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.